Hey everybody, it's Ace here from Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we talk about all the things we love to collect in our home. Knives, pens, bags, jewelry, you name it. It's been a minute. Don't forget, as we are trying to grow our channel, we really appreciate the support. Would love it if you would like and subscribe and do all the things. I know you haven't seen the video yet, but just do it in advance. Why not? Grab yourself something to drink. Today, in honor of our friends at Sabina Vineyards, I am drinking a new released 2021 Cabernet Sauvignon because it's Monday. Why not? We're going to talk about our newest find today. Grab yourself something to drink and let's get into it. Work has been crazy, y'all. So it has been, I feel like it's been a month since I've done my last unboxing or even video. Today I'm going to be using the Koenig Arius to do my unboxing and help me with unboxing any, cutting anything I need because I know that we have one coming this week. We're going to start off with, of course, Goyard purchase. We happened to, when we went in, y'all may have seen, I did the brief video on Goyard's upcoming limited release. They actually have a new limited release coming of the St. Louis bags in the lilac, no, sorry, in the fuchsia and the lilac colors. They're doing the St. Louis and the GM and the PM sizes, and they have a floral lining, which is absolutely stunning. And they're doing their VIC launch right now. But while we were in there for the Evergreen collection, I really enjoyed the backpack. Now you might remember we did take home the ambassade, but we wound up, I just really love the backpack. So we went in and looked at a few of the different things and we did come home with the prize. I do love their garden paper that they're using. We have a dust bag for this item. Oh, I love it. I love when I see plastic because that means nobody else has touched it, and that's my fave. Look at this beauty, y'all. This is the Cisalpin Backpack in the only size that it comes in, and this backpack does come in the 5 colors of the, it's part of the men's collection, and so it comes in black and tan, green, blue, and gray, and this is the black. Just black is the color they call it because the leather accents that you see are black. If there was tan, they would call that black and tan. Now, there are a couple of backpacks at Goyard. This is the front of it. And we looked at the Alpine, if you want to be fancy, the Alpine bag in the MM size. But when my client advisor told me the price, I was blown away. It was almost double the price of this bag. So we were like, no, I'm just not ready to invest in that kind of money. And I feel like, These are smaller knife? Okay. I'm not going to use a knife at all. I'm going to take the plastic off. The really cool thing about this backpack is the way that it opens. It has a super wide opening. So you open it up, and it's like a doctor's bag on the inside. So you get this wide mouth. There is the linen lining. It has Goyardian canvas with the calfskin trim, and it is huge. It's absolutely huge. The bag itself is 33 centimeters by 14 centimeters by 43 centimeters, and it's 1 kilogram in weight. There is cotton on the inside. There's a floating inside pocket right here that has the strap that you can close it with. This handles here have a 9 centimeter drop. The bag is made in France. But the coolest thing about it is just the way that it opens, and the zipper extends to the sides. So you can really search for your belongings here. The Cisalpin Backpack does not have a zip close. It actually has a drawstring and it has a flap, but they have zippers in the front that you can reach through. There's a little bit more function. There's more, I would say, pockets to that. Now, when I put this bag on, I am a little bit tinier, and so this bag does seem to be pretty large on my frame, and so I'm gonna have to like shore up the straps here And when my husband puts it on, it fits him very well. It's a great bag. The one concern that my husband had for this was that I'm going to load it up and I'm going to wear it and it's going to mess up my back because I already have back and shoulder problems. And you know what? He's probably right. So I have committed to, when I do carry this, I will maybe put a shawl in here or something that is not that heavy. I'm really excited about this item. I think I've mentioned in a previous video, we are traveling abroad this summer, and then we're going to be traveling, actually even before that, we're going to New York. And so this will be one of our carry-on bags. And I just think it's really cool. It's versatile, and I think it's going to be a nice addition to our collection. I will put the price in the comments. If you have any questions, hit me up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers.